Hey there, this is Kathleen Jasper, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how you can use ChatGPT or other AI tools to help you prepare for your constructed response section. Yep, that's the essay portion of your teacher certification exam. Now, I've been working with ChatGPT for quite a while, and I use it every day, not just for work, but to help teachers and future teachers like you study smarter, not harder. So today, I'll walk you through how you can use AI effectively to practice writing essays for your exam. Let's get into it. So, the example I'll use is from the Praxis Teaching Reading 5205 exam, but don't worry, this same method works for just about any test with a writing portion. The Foundations of Reading, the Science of Teaching Reading, STR, Special Education, PE, or even the SLLA. If there's an essay or written response involved, this approach can help you. Now, I'm using ChatGPT 5, the newest version, and I'm on the paid plan, mainly because it allows me to upload screenshots and documents, something the free version doesn't do very well. If you're on a budget, though, you can still follow along. You'll just need to copy and paste information instead of uploading it. It's a few extra steps, but totally doable. And just to be clear, I'm not sponsored by ChatGPT or any AI tool. I just really believe in using it to make your life easier, especially when you're preparing for these tough certification exams. Here's how I did it. For the 5205 exam, I went into the official ETS study companion, which includes the test specs, rubrics, and scoring samples. I screenshotted a few pages about the constructed response portion and uploaded them into ChatGPT. That gave the AI some context, like what the graders are looking for, what the rubric says, and examples of good and bad responses. Then I asked ChatGPT a simple but powerful prompt. Based on the screenshots attached, the writing rubric, and the prompt below, please evaluate my essay. I also had ChatGPT create a sample writing prompt for me that matched the test's format. Once I had that, I wrote my essay and uploaded it for feedback. Now, my first attempt? Let's just say it wasn't great. And that was on purpose. I wanted to see how well ChatGPT could evaluate it. It gave my essay a score of 1 out of 3, pointing out that my examples were vague and lacked detail. It also said my strategies didn't align closely with what the students were struggling with, a fair critique. So I revised my response based on that feedback, added more specific examples, used stronger literacy terms like fluency, automaticity, and explicit modeling, and resubmitted it. This time, ChatGPT rated it a 3, the highest score possible. It even explained what improved and why my revisions worked. That's the power of using AI as a writing partner. It doesn't just give you the right answer, it helps you think like a test maker. You can even ask it to generate new prompts, analyze your timing, or explain how your essay aligns with the rubric. Of course, you won't have ChatGPT on test day, but by using it during your prep, you'll train yourself to think more analytically, structure your responses better, and write with purpose. And here's a bonus tip. Teachers, you can use this with your students too. Have them screenshot parts of their state writing rubrics, upload them to ChatGPT, and ask it for feedback before they turn in their essays. That way, when you finally grade their work, you're seeing more polished, thoughtful writing and saving yourself some time. So, whether you're preparing for your teaching exam or just want to get better at writing, try using ChatGPT as your practice partner. It's like having a coach who's always ready to give feedback, day or night. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to follow the podcast and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues, especially those who are studying for their certification exams or working toward becoming teachers. You never know who might need that extra boost of support. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for more free tips, tutorials, and strategies to help you pass your exams and grow in your teaching career. For comprehensive, in-depth resources, including online courses, study guides, interview prep, and classroom materials, head over to kathleenjasper.com. You'll find everything you need to pass your certification exam, land your dream teaching job, and thrive in your classroom. Until next time, keep studying smart, stay confident,